Hey everyone, welcome back to Sheila's Tech Tips. Today, I've got some amazing tech tips to share with you. Imagine creating a motivation video that moves people and leaves a lasting impact. All you need is just Canva experience. Follow along as I show you exactly how to make it happen. All right, guys, let's jump right in as I show you step by step.
So guys, first thing first, you go to Google, then type in Canva. So it will give you a page like this. Then you select on create, then it will give you a page like this. Then we go to new, then we select the landscape that we want to use. We're going to use landscape for video. There you go. So click on it, then give it a time to load. Then once you get in a page like this, it will show you like this. So you go to elements. Let's go to elements for us to generate the videos that we want to use for our motivation video. So let's search for elements, the videos that we want to use. We'll start by waking up. I'm going to type in waking up so that you can give us several types of images. So here we go. We have these ones. I like this, so I'm going to use this one as our first video. Let's go ahead and play it and see if it's gonna match to our audio that we want to use. I think I love this one, so we are going to edit it. We are going to cut the portion. I just like the first portion, so we're going to cut it. By cutting it, we select on it, then we select the three dots up there, then we split it. Once we split it, we have to delete this extra part that we have. Let's delete. There you go, guys. So we have remained with the part that we want to use. On our second image, I want to use again waking up, and I think let me see which one we are going to use at this moment. So guys, I think I'm going to use this one. I like this one, so you select on it. There you go. So we want to edit the part that we want to use only. So I think I like this, so let's play it and see what we have. There you go, guys. I think I like this one. At this point, I'm going to cut this part. Three dot, then split, then split, then we delete this portion that we don't want. Let's delete. Yes, guys, so there we go. We have two videos at the moment which we like them. So guys, you continue doing the same. So guys, the next thing we are going to do is to head on Google once again, then we type in 11 Labs. It's an AI tool which you're going to use to generate the voiceover. So we select on it, then you sign up into it. On the first link, you sign up into it, then it will give you a page like this. Once you get here, you go to text to speech. Text to speech, you select on it, then you paste the prompt that you have, the motivation prompt that you have. I had generated mine, so here you go. I'm going to paste it, and so there are various voices that you can use. On the voices on this other side, we are seeing voices. Select on it, Alice. I think I love Alice, so I'm going to select on it, then generate speech. Let's give it time as it is generating.
When every failure echoes in your mind and the voice inside you whispers, you're not
Once
enough.
it's done, you go to download down there, download here. So you select on it, then you're going to download that audio. There you go, we have it. So another thing, let's head to Canva. Let us upload the audio that we have generated. Here you go. This is the audio from 11 Labs. Select on it, then open. Yeah, then it will go to audio. Then you select on it so that it can come here. Yeah, select on it. There you go. Let's play it. And we're here. So at this point, I'm going to readjust the videos like this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to readjust. So for this first video, I want it to end here. So I'm going to select on that video, and on the, you drag it. Yeah, then I drag it, then I play. Then on the second video, I listen to the audio as well. Okay, let me readjust again. Yeah, on the second video, I want to hear the audio, then readjust the video. I want it to stop here, so I'm going to readjust here. That's where I want it to stop. So select on it, then drag it there. Yeah, so we are going to play it again, listen to it. Yeah, like that. Then you readjust like that. For this third one, I'm going to readjust it again. Select on it, then drag it to the point that you want it to stop. There you go. Yes, then you listen to the audio once again as we are readjusting the videos. Yeah, like that. So this video as well, you listen to it. There you go. I want it to stop there. So drag it again to the point that we want it to stop. Let's drag it here. Yes, here. Then you play it.
There will be nights when silence feels louder than your dreams, when every failure echoes in your mind and the voice.
Yes, this is our final video that we have created. So you go to share, then download. Let us download it. MP4 video is what we are going to use. MP4 video is what we are going to use. Then download. So give it time as it is downloading, and yeah, there you go, guys. We have already generated our amazing video. As you can see, it's downloading. Yeah, yes, guys.
There will be nights when silence feels louder than your dreams, when every failure echoes in your mind and the voice inside you whispers, "You're not enough." But remember this. Diamonds are born under pressure, and strength is built in the moments you almost break. When no one believes in your vision, believe harder. When your hands are tired from building what others can't see, keep building anyway. Because growth doesn't happen in the sunlight, it happens in the storm. Every tear, every sleepless night, every small victory is shaping you into someone unshakable. You may not be there yet, but you are closer than you were yesterday. So breathe. Stand tall and keep moving, not because it's easy, but because your story isn't over yet.
That's it, guys. Your motivation video is now ready to inspire the world. Keep pushing your creativity further. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Let's learn and grow. Love you. Bye-bye.